Lesson: Bias and Fairness, Addressing Ethical Challenges in AI Models. Bias and fairness in AI models present significant ethical challenges, especially as these technologies become increasingly integrated into critical decision-making processes, including supply chain management. The implications of bias can lead to unfair treatment, discrimination, and a lack of trust in AI systems. Thus, it becomes essential for AI-driven supply chain analysts to ensure models are designed and implemented with fairness in mind, applying actionable insights and practical tools to mitigate these biases. AI models, by their nature, are trained on historical data, which often contains biases reflective of societal inequalities. These biases can manifest in AI systems, leading to skewed results. For instance, Amazon scrapped an AI recruiting tool after discovering it discriminated against female candidates. This highlights the importance of addressing bias proactively. One effective tool for identifying and mitigating bias is IBM's AI Fairness 360, which offers a comprehensive suite of fairness metrics and bias mitigation algorithms. By integrating such tools into the AI development pipeline, organizations can systematically identify and reduce bias at various stages of the model lifecycle. Another practical approach to addressing bias is the implementation of fairness-aware machine learning frameworks. These frameworks, such as fairness constraints and adversarial debiasing, aim to adjust models to achieve equitable outcomes across different demographic groups without sacrificing overall performance. For instance, fairness constraints involve incorporating fairness as a constraint during the model optimization process, ensuring that the algorithm considers both prediction accuracy and fairness. Adversarial debiasing, on the other hand, involves training a network to predict and hence remove biases from the model's predictions. A case study illustrating the application of fairness-aware machine learning in supply chain management can be found in the retail sector. Retailers often use AI to predict consumer demand, and biased predictions can lead to misallocation of resources, impacting both profitability and customer satisfaction. By employing fairness-aware models, retailers can ensure that supply predictions are equitable across different regions and demographics, thus optimizing resource distribution and enhancing customer trust. An essential step in building fair AI models is the selection and pre-processing of data. Data pre-processing techniques such as resampling, reweighting, and data augmentation can help create balanced datasets that minimize the risk of bias. For example, resampling involves adjusting the dataset composition to ensure diverse representation, while reweighting assigns different weights to data points to balance their influence on model training. These techniques can be particularly beneficial in supply chain contexts where historical data may overrepresent certain groups or regions. Another significant aspect of ensuring fairness in AI models is transparency and explainability. Black box models, such as deep neural networks, often lack transparency, making it difficult to understand how decisions are made. Explainable AI techniques, such as LIME and SHAP, provide insights into model predictions, aiding in the identification of potential biases. By using XAI methods, supply chain analysts can communicate the rationale behind AI-driven decisions to stakeholders, fostering trust and accountability. In deploying AI models, continuous monitoring and auditing are crucial to maintaining fairness. This involves setting up regular audits to assess model performance and fairness metrics, allowing analysts to detect and address any emergent biases promptly. One practical tool for this is the Fairness Indicators tool, which provides users with a comprehensive view of model performance across different slices of data, facilitating ongoing fairness assessments. Education and training are also vital components in promoting fairness in AI systems. Professionals involved in AI development and deployment should be educated on ethical AI principles and trained to use fairness tools and frameworks effectively. Organizations can implement workshops and training programs focused on ethical AI practices, encouraging an organizational culture that prioritizes fairness and accountability. Such initiatives can equip AI-driven supply chain analysts with the knowledge and skills necessary to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Finally, It is essential to engage diverse teams in the AI development process. Diverse teams bring varied perspectives, which can help identify potential biases that homogeneous teams might overlook. Collaborative efforts across different departments and disciplines can lead to more comprehensive and inclusive AI solutions. Companies should strive to create an inclusive environment where diverse voices are heard and valued, ultimately leading to more equitable AI systems. In conclusion, addressing bias and fairness in AI models is a multifaceted challenge that requires a combination of practical tools, frameworks, and organizational commitment. By leveraging tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360, implementing fairness-aware machine learning frameworks, and adopting transparent and explainable AI techniques, organizations can create fairer AI systems. Moreover, continuous monitoring, education, and diverse team involvement are crucial to ensuring ongoing fairness in AI applications. By taking these steps, AI-driven supply chain analysts can not only mitigate ethical risks, but also enhance the overall effectiveness and trustworthiness of AI technologies.